dark in here. Just kind of loose. Go. What's that? Hello? There's scratches in it. Hello, where are you? Who, and where are you? I know you're in here. Where are you? I'm thinking from here. Practice my mom playing tricks. What's that? What's that noise? I think it's coming from my bed? Yeah, I think it is. I might have to look under here. Because what else can I do? Might be a bad guy in my house. Ah! Found ya! Huh? Nothing's in here. I definitely heard something. I don't know. Maybe my dad's like making breakfast up there or something. Whatever. Okay, time to go pick some breakfast. Hello? What's that? No. Yeah! Huh? Where's the black thing? What? Hello? No. Someone's like, is somebody in my house? What was that black thing? It was here, now it's gone. So weird. Oh, I have another breath. Hello? I have to find this guy in my house. I want to know where he is. I found you! Found you now. Found you now. And now who's this demon? There's nothing there. Oh, no.